Right, folks, in this here video, we're going to be putting in this wireless keypad for a garage door opener. The house we bought had one pad out there, but it never did work. And even had a garage door installer look at it and could not figure it out. So that keypad that's out there now is worthless, so we're going to go ahead and put this one in. As you can see, I got this on the Amazon warehouse for cheap on account of the box being kind of mangled, but product itself looks like it's in good shape, no cracks or anything. So we're going to see if we can figure out how to get this all programmed and get it on there. All right, I suppose I should mention this is a Genie brand opener. In mine, the next step to do is to initiate programming mode, and for me it's real easy. I just need to hold this here button until I see a flashing purple light. I think we'll see what happens here. Should get a blue light and then purple. All right, nice. Then what we need to do is go down here to my keypad, and we're supposed to enter this custom default pin that it came with. In this case it's 357, and then we press this 3 or 4 times. Hey, look at that, man, the door open. All right, so now this here is programmed. Next step is changing the pin. All right, change your pin number on the keypad's real easy, it looks like. You just need to enter the factory default and then the program key. I'm going to do that here. And now we just enter my pin. I ain't going to let you see that. And then the program again. And it says the pin should be changed. All right, so I'm going to try that in a new pin here. Hang on a second. I ain't going to let you see that. Creepers coming around here. Hey, all right, so that's now reprogrammed. Basically, all I gotta do is mount this up where the old one is now. Mine basically here, you just gotta get to that screw up underneath the battery. Kind of missed it there, that's embarrassing. But yeah, to get the battery out of there of your old one and get to that screw, and then you should be able to just slide that keypad unit up off the other screw, but I have a little struggle here on account of the paint being all sticky under there, but got a little convincing and it got up off there. Yeah, at first I thought they didn't include the screws, but they got them hidden in there. Yep, same process here. You just got to slide it onto the top screw and then put your new screw in behind where the battery is. In my case, the keypads are different size, so I'd pilot a new hole. Ideally, I would have drilled that out first before trying to put this screw in there, but you know, lazy. Gotta go find a drill bit. And this will work just fine once I get it in there. Just wish I had somebody to hold the camera phone for me, and that'd make that a lot easier. But I got it done. It's all right. Don't you worry now. And then just get your batteries in there and make sure you got the polarity correct and such with the pluses and the minuses and so forth. And then slide your battery cover on, and you'll give this a close and then test her out. When it's open like this, just pressing the open close button might cause it to close. And actually I think even if you've recently closed it, pressing the open close button will cause it to open even without the pin. So there's some kind of delay in there between when it closes and when you require to enter the pin to get it open. I'm going to use some of this to plug up that screw hole that was left by the old unit, just to prevent any water from getting up in there and causing problems. Alright, let's give it a final test. It's been closed for a while. I tested the open close button there to make sure it didn't open. Enter my pin, and here we go. Man, look at that, it worked. All right, folks, check us out next time.